Gitsy. It's good for your spleen.
Now this is a story all about how I caught Ebola and then I died.
Then I suppose you won't mind taking a sip of my new yellow water.
It's fresh. It's healthy. And it's definitely not weak.
Oh my god!
The less we know, the better we feel.
What? It's the dead bird of the week. It's the dead bird of the week.
Go outside and run into a wall. It's free.
Oh! Oh, God! Goo goo gaga!
Welcome to the Interstellar Union of Miners.
Speaking of miners, I'm pretty sure this guy likes them.
いい匂いだ。汚れを知らない綺麗な目だね。ずっと子供のままでいられる。楽しいところへ行こうよ。子供は子供のままでいないとね。
Me no likey pan.
God damn, that's a great ass. Oh my god, ghost dog, ghost dog! Da 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 da!
Oh lordy, that is not a face I was ready for.
Didn't you hear? The bricks and I are getting married.
I love you.
Did I just commit a hate crime? I think video game ads are a lost art. Who cares about what the game is like? I want to bring back the ads that have barely anything to do with anything. They're as much an ad for a video game as they are for a massive hat. Yellow water.
It's me, a Gordon Ramsay! What? We have to cool it down with water, and then eventually, after it's swum around,
I'd say that's a marked improvement there, yeah.
we didn't really like his face, so we just thought blank slate.
Okay, that was precious.
Hello, I'm Steak. Did you ever wonder where your milk came from? Yeah, me too.
Hi, I'm Compost.
Dokidokimon, gotta catch 'em all.